Welcome back. In last 3 years, 68 cases related to missing children have been registered, but Goa police has failed to trace even one missing child. State Human Rights Commission has directed Goa government to hand over the case of missing child Vikas Hebre to Crime Branch. According to victim's family, 4-year-old Vikas was kidnapped from Baina, Vasco on 2nd December 2011. Human Rights Commission has also directed state government to file a report within 2 weeks. Commission to hear the case on 26 September.
State Human Rights Commission has directed Goa government to transfer the case of missing boy Vikas Hebre from Vasco Police to Crime Branch. 4-year-old Vikas was kidnapped from Baina, Vasco on 2nd December 2011. SHRC in its order has directed government to complete the process of handing over the case within 2 weeks and file a report regarding it. SHRC has recommended to take initiatives like explore the possibility of displaying photographs of missing child on Doordarshan in Maharashtra and Karnataka. On the direction of HSRC, Goa Police has submitted a report of missing child in last 3 years, which is very shocking. In last 3 years, 68 cases related with missing children were registered, but Goa Police failed to trace even one missing child. SHRC will hear this matter on 26th of September. With Bureau Inputs, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
CM Parrikar said that new police bill will have tight provisions against the house owners, keeping tenants without police verification. Parrikar also mentioned that around 4,000 tenants were found staying in and around Margao without police verification. Parrikar further ridiculed the bomb disposal squad of Goa and said trained personnel will be included in new bomb disposal squad.
आता आम्ही नवीन पुलीस बिल जे ह्या काय येतले सेशनाक तातून भितर हे प्रोविजन आसतले की जर कोणे टेनंट दवरलो विथआउट पुलीस व्हेरिफिकेशन जाल्यार ताका त्या टेनंट दवरणाऱ्या घरमालकाकूय शिक्षा करूंक जाय. Around Madgaon, we found 4,000 tenants unverified being kept by the people.
In spite of that.
आणि बोवाळ थंयच्यानूच चड येता सदांच. वेळी कुक हांगा कुर्तरी म्हणजे कुर्तरी तितले ना पण वेळी मागीर ते नावेली ह्या भागांच्यान लोक बोवाळ घालता की चोरयो जाता म्हणून. पण चोरयो कित्याक जाता तें कारण अनेक जाण त्या भागांतले लोक आपल्याच घरान अनआयडेंटिफाय मनशाक एक न्हय 8-8, 10-10 वेळना आमकां एका घरान 20 जाण भाडेकरू मेळ्ळे.
So my suggestion is, or this is that strengthen the network at Margao police station, Margao railway station, so that there is some check on that.
No, we'll do it. नव्या young भुरग्यांक ट्रेनिंगाक धाडटले simultaneously. It's not that it's being dismantled, but we are reducing it because there is no training and they are become more than 50-55. अशें आमी जवळ 70-80 पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यापर्यंत चवथी पयली आमी भायर काडटले. तातले बरेचशे जाण ट्रॅफिकान येतले. Traffic from 254, the strength will go to at least 354 to 400.
Retaining wall of garbage treatment plant at Vasco collapsed, making way for garbage in the seawater. Huge heaps of garbage came down gushing on Wednesday. Locals informed that the treatment plant is neglected by the authorities. Chief Officer of Vasco, Meghnad Parab, said retaining wall will be constructed immediately. However, he was unsure about solution to the garbage that has already polluted the sea.
दिसाक 10 ते 12 ट्रक येवन हिंगा कचरो डंप जाता आनी त्या डंपान इतको वास येता, इतको त्रास जाता. म्हाका दिसता आमच्या VC कावन्सिलरा भितर एकूय कावन्सिलरान आजून पर्यंत हिंगा येवन बाबा विचारूंक ना ह्या कचऱ्याचें कितें करपाचें. फक्त एक डंप वाडोवन आयज अशे परिस्थितीन येयला की तेंचो कंपाउंड मोडोवन हे सगळो कचरो आमचो दर्यांत पावला आनी दर्यांत पावन ते सगळे पोल्युशन जाला. वेरेन हो काय बऱ्यान बरो एक गोंयान एक ट्युरिस्ट स्पॉट जावं शकता, त्याच्या बद्दलय कोणाचें काय लक्ष ना.
इमिडिएटली ती भिंत पडल्या ती बांदून घेतले आणि जे भिंतीक तेकोन गार्बेज आसा ती फुडें शिफ्ट करून घेतले.
ते दर्यान घालते ते केले दर्यान गार्बेज घालते कितें काडपाक केले
हय जी काडूंक मेळटा ती आमी काडटले.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.